got to the lake. I'm gonna test this shit out, guys. Let's do this real fast. Shit, that's not a good idea. I got a nice Auger, guys, attachment. Here it is. Oh, got fishing gear all over the place. Let's try this shit out. Sorry guys, if you guys are not getting a good view. That's where we're at. I'm in Round Lake. About to get it in. It's not working. But hopefully you guys can see. So I bought this ice auger attachment, guys, right here with a handle. It's pretty nice. Got it for $27. And bought the Laser Strike Master. Ripped off, actually. I got ripped off. But let's see if this works. And I'm using a Ryobi power hammer drill, or skill driver hammer drill. It's nice. I got it in number 1, so we'll see how it goes, and hopefully it works out. Oh, you guys can see. 1, 2, 3. Let's go. Woo! You gotta watch out with those wrists, guys. Be careful with those wrists. You saw that? I forgot about that, but it works, guys. It works. Woo! You gotta be careful with those wrists. This thing is too powerful. Let me lower it down to like 20 maybe. That's 2. See how many we can do. Okay, that's better. Didn't hit the wrist much. And this is how much battery I got. I'm using the 1 plus 3 amps, guys. Ryobi. I'm on the Ryobi team. I like Ryobi, but we'll see how many drills we can do. That's 4. Nice. That's 5. That's 6. That's 7. That's 8. Ooh, that's 9. I gotta be careful with the wrist. There it is. That's 10, guys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. See how much battery we got left. Wow, half. We still have half a battery. You can probably drill 20 more, maybe more. And I got one, I got 2 more in the car, so that's pretty good. Not bad. That's my new technique. I don't want to get my wrist blowing out, so this is a cool thing. I can switch it to this hand now that this one's tired. Awesome. All right, let's go. Good test. Ryobi hammer drill, guys. I got the hammer drill just for the tool. It was $52 with tax. And the handle, Auger bit, it was 27 bucks. And the bit came out to be, I would say, $80. Because my boy Eric gave me 20 bucks for it. So it works, guys. Let's go. We're done. Let's hop on Gasper and let's bounce. Hopefully you guys like this episode. A lot of gang shit. Can't wait for Saturday. Ice fishing time.